Tesla China delivery centers packed in Q4 2025. Tesla's delivery centers in China are filled with vehicles as the company ramps up for its final push in Q4 2025. Fresh photos from delivery centers in the country show rows upon rows of Model Ys and Model 3s, signaling strong end-of-quarter momentum. A delivery push for Q4 2025. A recent aerial shot from a Tesla delivery center in China captures the company's efforts to deliver as many vehicles as possible as the year comes to a close. As could be seen in the image, which was posted on X by Tesla enthusiast Nick Cruz-Patton, the facility was filled with numerous Model Y and Model 3 units, each vehicle seemingly ready to be handed over to customers. Tesla China delivery centers are full in China. Echoing the scene, another post, reportedly from 2 weeks prior, showed a similar scene in a Shanghai location, which was packed with Model Y units. Ex-user Roberto Nors shared the photo, noting that the image also shows multiple Model YLs, a 6-seat extended wheelbase version of the popular all-electric crossover. Similar picture, 2 weeks ago in Shanghai. Multiple Model YLs, seen very popular there. Towards a strong Q4 finish, China remains Tesla's volume powerhouse, accounting for a good portion of the company's global deliveries in recent quarters. That being said, reports did emerge in early November stating that the company only reached 26,006 retail sales during October, as noted in a CNEV Post report. The reasons for this remain to be seen, though a focus on exports could have been a contributing factor. Tesla China does seem to be hinting at some momentum this November. Just recently, Tesla watchers observed that the order page for the Model Y in China shows a message informing customers that those who wish to guarantee delivery by the end of the year should purchase an inventory unit. This was despite the Model Y RWD and Model YL showing an estimated delivery timeline of 4 to 8 weeks, and the Model Y long-range RWD and Model Y long-range AWD showing 4 to 13 weeks. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at teslarati.